Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see a very simple and healthy breakfast, potato wheat bread. This is an instant breakfast, you can do it within minutes. This is a simple bread, we are not going to use any yeast or baking soda or even baking powder. We'll move on to the recipe. Take 3 or 4 boiled potatoes. The quantity of the potatoes depends upon the size, so if it is small you can go for 4, otherwise you can use 3. You have to mash the potatoes like this. To this add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, the required amount of salt and a teaspoon of pepper powder. Now let us knead this into a soft dough. You don't have to add any water as we are using boiled potatoes. Resting time is not needed, but we are going to prepare the stuffing now. So until we use the dough, we are going to cover this properly. Now take a pan, add 1 or 2 teaspoons of butter. To this add 4 to 5 chopped garlic cloves and add half chopped onion. Now give this a nice saute. To this I am going to add a cup of chopped paneer, that is cottage cheese. And if you don't want to use paneer, you can go for mushrooms or any other vegetables. You don't need much cooking time for paneer, but it will leave some water, so you have to wait until the water evaporates. I'm going to close this and cook until the water gets completely evaporated. So this is ready now. To this add the required amount of salt, half a teaspoon of chili powder and half a teaspoon of oregano. Saute this for about a minute or 2. Our stuffing is ready. Let us chop it with few coriander leaves and finish this. And this is our stuffing. Set this aside. Now we'll move on to the dough. And any dough, if you're not using it, you have to close it properly, otherwise the top layer will get dried. Now spread some flour. You don't need much kneading for this dough. So we are going to roll this immediately. Cover the dough with the dry flour so that it won't stick to the surface while rolling. Let us start rolling this. It should not be very thin or very thick. Take a small bowl and shape it like this. And here you can see the thickness. It is neither thin nor thick. Now let us take one piece and place some stuffing on it. You can top it with some mozzarella cheese. It will give a nice taste for the bread. We are going to close this with another piece. So apply some water like this so that it will be easy for you to seal it. Close this with another piece and seal it properly. All our breads are ready, so take a pan, pour some oil in it. You need just a teaspoon or 2, not more than that. Now place the flatbreads and cook this in medium flame. I guess one side is ready. Let us flip this. this flatbread will be soft and crispy. If you want this to be even more crispy, just lower the flame and give some extra time. So here our potato wheat breads are ready. We can take it out. This doesn't need any special side dish, and if you want you can have some raita. Kids will definitely love this recipe, and not only kids, I hope elders will also love it. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.